Hey everybody, Mark from Overlook Valley Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap a Christmas present the correct way. This is my first try at this, so we're going to see how this goes. I've wrapped presents before and they never turn out good, but I found out a little something that I wanted to try, so I thought I'd try it live here on video and see if it works. So I hadn't tried this before, so let's see what happens, okay? Of course, you're gonna need some wrapping paper, that's for sure. You're gonna need scissors, and you're gonna need tape, and you're gonna need name tags, and you're gonna need an ink pen, so you can write whoever name it is on there. Anyways, I've already pre-cut my paper because I didn't know exactly how big I needed, but I'm gonna show you this. Just jump the cables. Here's a piece of paper I cut, and you know, the typical man wrapping thing is this: you put the box down, pull the paper up. Look at that; it's too short. It don't work. Turn the box around, pull the paper up. It's still too short. Might cover this way. Nope, it don't. So let's just see what happens here. Y'all bear with me as we go through this, and we'll see how funny Mark's Christmas wrapping is. So what I found out is you can turn the box diagonal like this, and you can use the same piece of paper. So if you run short on paper, or this is the biggest piece of paper you got and you need to wrap a gift, don't lose faith, you can still do it, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the first corner, we're gonna fold it over like so, and I'll take a little piece of tape and stick it on the box just to hold that. Okay, so we have the first. You want to make sure that your corners are covered when you do that, okay? Next thing we're gonna do, you think we would go to the other side, but we're not. We're gonna start and work our way around the box. So we're gonna fold this in just until this part here comes straight up on the gift, like so. And we'll bring that up. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm not the giftiest or the best gift wrapping person that you'll ever see, so but I thought this was kind of cool, so I wanted to share it with you. Okay, so you do it like that, and you bring your paper in. And there's a handle up here that kind of messes it up, but gotta do that one. Yeah. Okay, you only do one corner at a time. And then we'll put a piece of tape. Oops. If you're a man like me, you know how intimidating it is to wrap Christmas gifts, so maybe this will help you, and your wife will definitely say to you, wow, who wrapped that Christmas present? I know you didn't. So same thing, fold it in, bring it up and over. Just like so. And another piece of tape. Now, I assure you, Sarah didn't teach me this, but she might watch my video and she may learn from me. Now, we're down to the last side, and as you've seen, the paper would not cover this box, but it almost is going to cover it, so let's see what happens here. We'll just fold this in until this comes up straight. Same thing on this side. We'll bring our paper over our box. Of course, you want to do a better job folding than I do. But. And what about that? There we go. A short piece of paper wrapped the gift without any of the gifts shown. So you might want to put some more tape on it in different places. I know I probably will, because I'm probably the world's worst to put too much tape on a gift, but you know, it's worth it if you gotta fight to get it open. It's probably something good inside there. Alright, so there we go. There's our gift. It's perfectly wrapped. Looks as good as almost as good as if Sarah had done it. But
what happens if you don't have a square present?
It will work. Oh, it works no matter what size present you got. It don't matter if it's rectangular, if it's a square, if it's a triangle, that works. So I thought that was pretty cool. I seen that and I thought I would take time and share it with y'all. I think it's a good idea, and you end up with a really good looking Christmas present. You know, the paper's on sideways, so that's kind of neat compared to how you normally get it. So just something a little different. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's probably pretty short, but my wrapping experience is pretty short too, so I guess that goes together. But I got a couple more presents I'm gonna wrap. Hope they turn out good as that one did. Sometimes they look like I just put them in the paper and wadded the paper up around them. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and hope that this helps you with wrapping your presents, especially if you're a guy. You can do it the old-fashioned way, you know, where you can just put the paper down, whatever, in the middle, and fold it this way and this way and this way. This is a lot simpler, a lot easier, a lot quicker. Probably after you do it a time or two, you will not have any problem doing it this way. So, alright, thank y'all for watching my video, and we'll catch y'all later, and God bless you.